So, you guys, Moja Love, the TV channel, has issued, I think, one of the most cruelest statements ever. They basically kicked Zizoktola presenter Xolani Khumalo out in the cold when I think he needed them the most. Now that they are done with them, they announced that they have decided to terminate their contract with Xolani Khumalo following his ongoing court cases, and he faces murder charges, you guys. Now, the channel has released a statement this Friday saying they have terminated his contracts and are parting ways with him. They released a statement and people are fuming out there. The statement reads, "For immediate release, Moja Love TV channel part ways with Xolani Khumalo. Moja Love TV channels has terminated its relationship with Mr. Xolani Khumalo, the presenter of one of the channel's leading shows is Octola. The channel will not be commenting on any matters relating to Mr. Khumalo at this stage and wishes him everything of the best in his future endeavors." And Sizoktola was the most watched show on Moja Love, you guys, because Xolani was trying to eradicate drug use and also trying to get dealers behind bars. And unfortunately, in July this year, a dealer died shortly after Xolani and his crew had paid him a visit. Xolani later handed himself over to the cops, but he was released on a 20,000 rands bail. Xolani is due back in court on November 21st, 2023, you guys. Well, there you have it. Please do share with me your thoughts in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe and comment if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.